Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video are on these 3 super easy, super quick styles. These are styles that I usually do when I'm on the run but want to look like I did something to myself. So if you guys want to learn these easy styles, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm going to start off by putting... I'm wearing lip gloss today and like my hair is getting stuck in it. I'm going to start off by putting some extensions in my hair. I'm just going to work with my natural waves that I've got. These are not natural. Let me just say that these are from like 2 days ago. I curled my hair. So these are like just loose waves. I'm going to just work with that because I kind of like what's going on there. And I'm going to throw some extensions in. These are the Irresistible Me Royal Remy hair extensions. They're 24 inches and they're 220 grams. So I got the color Honey Blonde. I got the full set. In the full set it comes with this big old weft, so I'm not going to be putting the other extensions in my hair today. I'm just going to be using this one big fat weft. So I'm just going to split my hair in half. I'm just going to add a little back combing up the root so the extension has something to grasp onto. We don't want any loose weaves up in here. Alright, from here on out we're going to do a voiceover. So I'm going to just take my hair extension and just put it right into that back combing that we just did. I will be keeping this extension in for all of the looks I created for this video. Of course, you don't have to use extensions to achieve these looks. I just wanted a little extra thickness. So the first look is this really fun ponytail. I think the braid in it just makes it look like more than just a ponytail. So to start off this look, I am back combing my hair. You can make your hair as big or as sleek as you want it to be. I personally prefer big hair, but that's just my personal preference. Once your back combing is to your satisfaction, it's time to add the braid in. You can really do any kind of braid that you like. I personally prefer the Dutch braid. I just think you can make it look really big and voluminous and romantic. Then it's basically like a normal braid, but when you are taking the section on the outer part, just take a little bit of hair with it and bring it underneath the middle strand and bring the middle strand to the outside and just continue that, grabbing hair from the outside and bringing it to the middle, and it's as simple as that really. So I'm going to bring this braid basically all the way down, and once I reach kind of the bottom of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and pull it and make it larger. You make this braid as big as you want it to be. I love big braids, so I'm trying to make mine as big as possible. Don't be afraid to really pull it and yank on it. Then just to temporarily hold the braid in place, I'm back combing the bottom of it, and that's just going to hold the braid for the time being while we put it up into the ponytail. The next step is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just taking whatever is left down, whatever hair is left down, and putting it into a ponytail. You can keep the braid going throughout your ponytail if you want to, but I just wanted a big fat ponytail without the braid in there, but it's a personal preference. You can do whatever you please. Once my ponytail is in there and secure, I like to just take a little piece of hair and wrap it around the ponytail so you can't see the ponytail holder, and it just looks a little bit more chic and kind of put together. So that is it for look 1. Look 2 is kind of a spin-off of look 1, so let's get on into look 2. So look 2 is basically look 1 with a bun. So I have my look that we just created complete. I'm going to take my ponytail and give it a good twist, and then I'm going to turn it into a donut bun. That's really all there is to it. It's super duper simple. I'm just taking bobby pins and securing the bun into place. You can make this bun as big as you want it to be. Like I said, I love big hair, so I wanted my bun to be pretty big. The hair extensions in there did all the work for me, but if you're not working with hair extensions, you can just back comb your ponytail and make it nice and, you know, voluminous, and then twist it, and you can have a nice big bun that way. But like I said, the extensions did all the work for me. And there we have look 2. Moving on to the final look, look number 3. This is definitely one of my favorites. Whenever I wear this look, I get so many compliments. I just think it's so flattering on anybody. So to begin the look, I'm taking the crown portion of my hair and I'm just going to put it into a ponytail holder. So once we have this little half ponytail deal going on, I'm going to take my fingers and stick it right through the portion of my hair above the ponytail holder and just flip the ponytail in on itself to create kind of a twisted look. I'm going to do the exact same thing right underneath it. I'm taking a piece of hair from each side of my head and I'm just going to tie them together. And once again, I'm going to twist it and create another twisted look. I like to pull out the twist a little bit to make them look a little bit more voluminous. We gotta cover up those tracks too, we can't have the tracks showing. And after we've created our 2 twists, I'm just gonna go ahead and fishtail braid my hair. And it's really that simple. I think that the twists add a little something to the braid, so it's not just a fishtail braid. I think it makes it look a little bit more intricate. Creating a fishtail braid looks difficult, but I promise you it's definitely one of the easiest braids out there. Basically, I just split my hair into 2 sections, and I take a little piece from the outside of one of the sections and bring it to the other side. Then I take a section from the other side and bring it to the other side. I'm just kind of crisscrossing back and forth, and literally that is all there is to it. It is so easy. Now before I put the hair tie in, I like to kind of pull my braid apart and make it look larger. So I'm putting some dry shampoo on my hair, and that just kind of gives it more texture to make it look larger without falling apart and falling out throughout the day. And I'm really just pulling apart the braid. Don't be afraid to really pull it apart. The more you pull it, the bigger it's gonna be. So don't be afraid. You're not gonna ruin it, especially if you have dry shampoo in your hair. It's just gonna be extra big and kind of ethereal looking. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like hair tutorials, then please thumbs up this video or let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.